Proper fire extinguisher installation is paramount in safeguarding lives and property, as it ensures that these essential firefighting devices are readily available in the event of an emergency. Follow these steps to ensure you have a reliable fire extinguisher ready to protect you and your loved ones. 1. Pick the right fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers come in different classes, and it's crucial to select one that suits your environment. The most common types are A, B, C, D, and K. A is for ordinary combustibles like wood and paper, B for flammable liquids, C for electrical fires, D for flammable metals, and K for kitchen fires involving cooking oils and fats. 2. Choose a location. It's essential to install your fire extinguisher in a location where it's easily accessible and visible. Make sure it's mounted at eye level and away from potential obstructions. 3. Installation. Most extinguishers come with a wall bracket or hook, which you can use to hang them. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. It's important that the extinguisher doesn't move around or fall off its mount. 4. Maintenance. Fire extinguishers require regular maintenance to ensure they are in good working condition. If you find any issues, replace or service the extinguisher immediately. 5. Proper use of fire extinguisher. Lastly, but most importantly, know how to use your fire extinguisher. Remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. Regularly train yourself and your family on the proper use of fire extinguishers to ensure everyone is prepared in case of an emergency.